Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to import your bank transactions, or really any kind of CSV file, straight into Notion in just a few simple steps. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be able to take all your financial data and have it beautifully organized and easy to analyze right inside your Notion workspace. This can help you keep better track of your spending, build custom dashboards, or just bring a little more clarity to your finances. Let's get started, and I'll walk you through each step. First things first, you'll need your bank statement saved as a CSV file. That's short for comma-separated values, and it's a super common format for exporting tables of data. Most banks give you the option to download your statement as a CSV pretty easily, but if you're starting from Excel or Google Sheets, just make sure to save your file as a CSV, not XLSX or any other format. The point here is that Notion is built to pull in those CSV files and turn them into fully editable databases. Once you have your file ready, open up Notion. You'll want to navigate to the page where you'd like your bank transactions to live. Maybe you have a personal finance dashboard, or maybe you want to create a fresh page just for your statements. The good news is the import process is the same no matter where you want the data to end up. Now, look for those three little dots at the top of your Notion page. They're sometimes called the More Options menu. Clicking them opens up all kinds of page controls, but what we're looking for right now is the Import option. Click Import, and you'll be greeted with a menu asking which format you'd like to bring in. Go ahead and select CSV. This tells Notion to expect a spreadsheet-style file, just like the one you downloaded from your bank. Now comes the step that trips some people up. If you have a lot of files floating around, take your time and double-check that you're uploading the right one. Click Upload, find your bank statement CSV on your computer, and then hit Import. Notion will start working its magic, reading every row and column of your sheet and turning it into a database inside your page. If your CSV file is especially large, this import may take a few seconds. Don't panic if it doesn't show up instantly. Once the import finishes, your bank transactions will appear as a new table, neatly arranged in Notion. You can sort, filter, and even add extra columns to your heart's content. One thing I love about importing statements like these is how easy it becomes to visualize your spending trends or to tag certain lines with categories, notes, or goals for budgeting. If you notice that something looks off, maybe a column isn't lining up quite right, or the dates seem scrambled, don't worry. You can always edit right from within Notion, or even re-import if you need to make adjustments in your spreadsheet first. And that's really all there is to it. Your financial data is now living safely in Notion, ready to help you make smarter decisions. If you hit any hiccups along the way, feel free to replay those steps, and remember that Notion's import feature works for other kinds of CSV files too, not just bank statements. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and hit that like button to support the channel. Drop a comment below if you have any questions or run into issues. I'm always happy to help. And don't forget to subscribe for more easy, practical guides on making the most of Notion and other productivity tools. See you in the next video.